friends, I'm back with a new video. Today I will show you my new toy. It is this. My mom and dad brought me. It will come with one bunk bed with two beds and two dollies and two pillows each and blankets too. Let's open it. Whoa, it's cool. Let's open it. Whoa, it's hard. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. It is cool, right? Whoa. It is. I'm so excited to open this. Now it is open. Let's name it. What I should name it? Oh, this is Paul. This is Ali. These names are good, right? Now let's play with it. Hey, Paul, where do you want to go? Oh, I want to go up. Okay, Paul. Let's go. You will go down. Okay. I'll sleep here. Whoa. Okay, I'll sleep down. Whoa. Yay. Let's sleep down. It's like a roof for me down here. Oh, huh? Let's sleep now. Hey, Ali, how do you feel this bunk bed? I feel good. This is comfort. Okay, let's leave now. Hey, Paul, let's go and bring our toys. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Here you go, your toy. Thank you. Let's go upstairs now. Okay. Whoa, my toy fell down. I'll bring it. It's okay. Whoa, it's so close, right, guys? Yeah. Whoa, let's play. It's fun, right? Yeah. Hey, come on, let's play. Woo. Yay! This bunk bed looks so interesting. Yeah, and it is cool because it has my favorite color. It is pink, right? Yeah. Up and down. This bunk bed is cool. Yeah. And my toy too. I love it. Yeah, my toy too. We can take off this headband. Look. Ooh. I love that. I wish I had that toy. It's okay. You can take my toy too. Yay! It's so fun to play together. Woo! Yay! It's so fun playing with this, guys. Look. And it has food. It's so cute right there. Hair are so cute. And I like their dresses. They're cool, right? Look, this girl dress. Oh, I love them. It's like chocolate and banana ice creams. It's so fun playing with these toys. I love them, guys. I don't know why I'm so loving this and saying this all the time. It's so fun to play because my favorite color too, it is pink. You know, my mom and dad brought me my favorite color bunk bed. You like this video, please like, share, subscribe.